Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do the last task for the week on our Fact Family Learning. We're going to do thinking of a number activity using the inverse operations of addition and subtraction. So I'm here in Flynn's, like you are, just doing your math week 2 every day. So I'm going to click on that. You'll see everything here. So remember, all the main information was at the top here. And you copy and pasted to start with all those numbers there, and then on your document you started doing them yourself. So you can see if I get onto the document, I've got my fact families here that I've already done, which you have also, and we keep scrolling down to all the completed ones. Now obviously you would have some feedback there on what to do. Then for example yesterday you did your Thursday task. You've got your addition and subtraction that you did on Math Builder, and you've got these 2 games that you played. So hopefully you enjoyed them. And this activity is actually based on the second game. So hopefully you played the second game, so you sort of know a little bit about what's going on. So what you need to do today is you need to watch these 2 videos. Just click on those or copy and paste them into your browser. One of them is a dice game to play, whereas the other one explains what I want done for this activity. Okay, so this one here is the dice game. This one here is explains how to do it. So in the game that you played yesterday, hopefully, they talked about the inverse operations and basically doing the exact opposite to what it's asking you to do in terms of finding a number. So you're going to do that, and you're going to show me what you did. So we're going to have a look at the first one. So I think of a number, I add 7 and then subtract 6. My answer is 42. What was my number? So we've got to try and figure out what the starting number was. Now to do this, we're going to start with 42 because that's our end result. So you're going to type in 42. Okay, then you're going to look closely at what the last thing it asked you to do. So it actually asked you to subtract 6. So we've been working on inverse operations and being the opposite. So instead of subtracting 6, we need to add 6. Okay, so you're going to show me. So we're going to do 42. We're going to do plus 6. That is obviously 48. So we might as well just do that to make it easier for us to work out what it's going to be. And then, so we've done this part here. We've subtracted the 6, but being the inverse operation, we add it. Then the first part of the task, it asked me to add 7. So I obviously need to do the inverse, which is the opposite. So I need to subtract 7. So if I go 48, take away 7, and that equals 41. Okay. Now, just to double check this, we now go, okay, I think your number was 41. Now, let's just double check it. So I'm thinking of a number, yep, 41. I've got it there. I add 7, that's 48. And then I subtract 6. Okay, 42. My answer is 42. Awesome. Okay, so you got that correct. So that's what I want you doing today. Practicing those inverse operations that we've been doing all week in terms of finding a mystery number, a bit of a problem solving one. So see how you go. And then when you finish that, end of the week, good math week, and then just hand it in. Thank you.